Not in America, not in Europe. This young man decided to invest in his own country after realizing there is a great opportunity and a potential in him. Other people think that only dreams are made in America or in Europe, but to prove you wrong, today's video I'm bringing you this amazing, inspiring story from this young Zimbabwean man who has made it in life, and he started a beautiful big restaurant here in Zimbabwe, and he is making millions of money of dollars here in Zimbabwe. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking. My good name is Harriet, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. He has multiple branches of restaurants. So in this video, I'm going to be having some interaction with him. How did he start? Where did he get the money? And where did he get the inspiration? Because to start a big restaurant like this, it means you might be either a millionaire or you might be having chunk of money kept somewhere. But oh yeah, so stay tuned till the end of this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, and please by the end of this video let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this story. So let's welcome our guest in the house and let's get to hear what he has for us.
My name is Alex. I'm director at Mr. Sadza Restaurant. We also specialize in events, weddings, and funerals, and birthday parties, and tombstone unveilings. We're situated at opposite Eastgate along Wayne Street, Fugari building. That's where we are situated at. And we have another branch at corner 4th Street and Jason Moore.
All right, you're so young. I'm so young. And with these big ideas, big projects. By the way, Zaza Restaurant is one of the big restaurants here in Harare. How did you start? How did you start this journey of starting this big restaurant? The way how you are. Oh my God, you're just an inspiring person, like to me. I don't know to other people, but to me, oh my God, you're motivating me like to start a restaurant now.
A very beautiful word.
Yeah.
Okay. It started when I was a kid back in the 90s in Norton. So my auntie used to own a takeaway in Norton at Ngoni shops there in the bar, Ngoni beer or bar. So I used to cook some of the items for her when I was a kid. I think around 9-10 years old.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's where my passion
Started from.
Yeah.
Okay. So then where did you get the money to start the business? Have you worked abroad and saved your money and then started these big projects? So tell us, maybe there's someone out there who would love to start the same stuff you're doing, you know?
Okay. I know I didn't work abroad. It started in early 2000 in Waterfalls.
Okay.
Yeah.
Abroad?
Waterfalls here in Zimbabwe.
Okay, here in Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
In Victoria Falls?
Not in Victoria Falls, here in Harare.
Okay.
Yeah, I used to stay in Norton, so my auntie again. My auntie, Mrs. Tagawira, she have an idea of starting to. She have an idea when she was working back in the days. She was working in the industry, working to an industrial area. So she said, Alex, you should come and stay with us here in Harare and want to start a project. The project she started to do was a tea project.
Okay.
We're cooking mazondo.
Okay.
You know mazondo?
No. No, Mazondo. No.
You don't know mazondo?
No. Maybe I might be knowing it, but I don't know. You know, we Africans, we share food, but we have different way how we name them in our local language.
Okay. Okay, mazondo is mazondo. The English name is ewes, cow ewes.
Oh, cow.
Ewes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
like trotters.
Okay.
You get it?
Yes, I get it. Wow.
Yeah. So we started to cook mazondo at an industrial park in Workington and doing some teas as well.
Okay.
And then we used to sell some quarter bread and mazondo. Yeah, back in the days in early 2000. And then later on in 2000 and late 2000.
Okay.
And then we started to sell some sadza.
Okay.
Some sadza.
Wow.
Yeah, and then I had a huge following when I started to sell some sadza, and
wow.
most of the people used to come and queue at our place. We have a big queue.
Yes, I can even testify. Even right now, guys, when you go there, you find people lining up. You're such a blessed man. Few people can start up restaurants and they have that huge queue, like everyone wants to have food, your food, you know. And to be honest, the food here is very, very tasty. I have gone to different restaurants, but in different countries, but I can testify that this one is unique. I don't know what you put in your food, but it has caught my attention.
Too much flavors in our food.
Yes.
So back in the days, my sister, I used to work for my auntie.
Yeah.
You know, so I've learned a lot during my working period.
Yes.
And then after 1 year, she gave up the business to me.
Oh wow.
Yeah, after about a year, she surrendered the business to me, the whole business.
Wow,
And
that's
then-
amazing.
And then I started to do things my way.
Oh wow. Wow.
Then started to learn some new ideas, and I used to read a lot of business books back in the days,
Oh, wow.
and they have a couple of motivational books I read. So I need to know how to run a big business.
Wow.
But there was an
And
idea.
now here you are. So you never read in vain. To be honest, you never read in vain. Because, guys, can you imagine how someone can read, just to have this big restaurant like this one? Oh my God, you're such a motivating person. Oh my God, I don't even know how to say.
So when I had so many setbacks back in the days, some of the time, the building we used to work with, they said want to renovate the building, and then all of a sudden, with my team, we're jobless.
Oh wow.
And then we had to go home and start over all over
Afresh.
again. Yeah, a couple of times, and I never give up.
Yeah. No business is easy.
Yeah, it's not that
and
easy.
you shouldn't give up. Yeah. If you know your goals and your dream, chase your dream. No giving up.
Yeah, but back in the days when I didn't have anything to do, I didn't waste my time.
Yeah.
I used to read a lot. I used to read a lot of, especially business books.
Okay.
I read.
More business
Yeah,
ideas.
I need to know the secrets, the big
Yes.
corporation,
Yes.
the big corporates' secrets.
Yes.
And I know the secrets, and I'm running my business now,
Yes. Yeah.
and
And you're proud of it.
yeah, very proud.
When you're earning your millions, you're proud of it. I'm happy. Yes. So now your sweat has been rewarded, you know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Through hard work.
Through hard work.
So back in the days, I used to manage a couple of people's businesses. I used to manage a lot of almost three outlets.
Oh wow!
Before I started my own business.
Oh wow!
I managed, and I wanted to do some experiments
yes.
with other people's resources. So I used to manage, and I learned, and I work. I used to work at Tea and Grill.
Okay.
Do you know Tea and Grill?
No.
Oh, they're closed now.
Okay. Okay.
That retail shop, they used to. It was fire back in the day. Couple years ago.
It used to boom.
Yeah.
Okay.
So right, that's where we are right now, and I'm very proud of Mr. Sadza, and some of the people, they thought Mr. Sadza is a foreign
person.
Yeah.
Yes. Even you, actually, when you search even in the internet, guys, you will find it, Mr. Zaza. So I thought maybe Mr. Zaza is someone maybe from another country, you know, and starting up a big restaurant here, you know. By the way, let me tell you guys, it's not only that foreigners can come to our own African countries and start big businesses and succeed, but look at this young man from zero.
From scratch, yeah.
From scratch. And look where he is because of his hard work. So never minimize any small beginning.
yeah. Plus faith. I have a lot of faith.
Yes, faith.
In whatever I do. Especially, I have a supportive wife at home.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
Yeah,
and they always say women build men.
You know how it is.
Yes, I am proud to be a woman, and I can't wait to have my husband. I will build him.
Oh, you don't have a husband yet.
Not yet. I'm
you should choose wisely.
One day. Of course, you know, a man also has to build a woman has to build a man.
Yeah, very true.
It's 50-50.
Yeah, it's 50-50.
Yes.
Yeah, so my wife supports everything I do. If I say I want to do this,
she's always on your back.
Yeah.
Which is nice.
She have a lot of faith with me, and she have a lot of patience with me. So that's where we are now. Yeah,
we are here. So if I may ask, how much does the restaurant make just average in a day or in a month?
Okay. On average sales.
Yes, sales.
1,000 plus.
1,000 plus in a day.
In a good day.
Okay.
Sometimes in a bad day, it's less than $1,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
But at least you're making money.
There is a lot of overheads in this business.
Yes, yeah. But thank you so much for your time, and thank you for accepting me to interview you. You know, guys, it's not easy to get such people, but you know, if God is on your side, you can break all the bondages and enter and meet presidents and queens and kings. Thank you so much for accepting my acceptance, to come and interview you. Yeah. I'm so happy.
Thank you,
and
my sister.
I wish you more blessings.
Thank you.
By the time I will come back to Zimbabwe, you will have 1,000 branches.
I think so. With time, I will expand.
Okay. How many branches do you have right now?
Right now, I have 2.
2. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
I have 2 branches, and we can't complain.
Yeah, we can't complain. We thank God. Okay, have a great day, and I wish you the blessings with all your workers.
Oh, thank you, my sister. Have a good time here in Zimbabwe.
Okay. Oh, by the way, how many workers do you have?
Oh, workers.
General?
I have 27 workers.
27? Guys, how he is even creating jobs. let me speak like Nigerian. How is he creating jobs for the Zimbabwe? Isn't it inspiring from scratch to inspiring to transforming many lives?
Sometimes I do events, especially over the weekends.
Okay.
So like Maroro, Lobola. You know Maroro? What Maroro is?
No. I know Lobola. Lobola is like a traditional marriage of giving dowry.
Yeah.
Actually, I think even South Africans, they call it Lobola.
Yeah, we call it Maroro or Lobola as well.
Okay.
Yeah, so I do sometimes.
So you guys have things in common with South Africans?
Yeah, we have things in common. South Africa speaks Ndebele too, and we have Ndebele language.
Okay.
Again.
How about Shona?
Shona.
Is it also in South Africa? Or
I think we have a common language like in Venda.
In Venda.
Yeah.
Okay. How about Zulu?
Zulu is quite similar with Ndebele.
Oh, okay. With Ndebele.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know how to speak in Ndebele?
I don't know.
Because
I don't know how to speak, but I know Zulu. I know Ndebele language.
Okay.
Yeah. You cannot
mix.
No. You cannot say some words when I'm around, and then you thought I'm not hearing all those words.
So you can hear but to speak it.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
So over the weekend, we do specialize in events and corporate lunches as well.
Okay.
We do corporate lunches as well. Daily corporate lunches, and over the weekend we hire some people as well. Almost sometimes 10 or 5 people.
Okay.
During the weekends we hire part-time workers.
Okay.
So we're trying to create jobs here.
Okay. So if anyone wants to follow you or to have an idea or to come to your restaurant, you can give them some details.
Okay. My number is 0771 615 890 plus 263 771 615 or 890.
Do you have a business card?
Yes, I have a business card.
I can show it like this so that they can copy everything.
I don't have it here.
Oh, you don't have it here.
Yeah.
Okay, but guys, the name is Mr. Zaza.
Mr. Zaza. We're all on all platforms.
Okay. All platforms.
Yeah, all platforms.
Even on Google, guys, if you search, you will get them. Even when you're requesting for Bolt or InDrive, it will bring you to this place.
Yeah, we're on TikTok, we're on Facebook, we're on Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Zaza. Guys, I'm going to put in the description of this video so you can follow him and come and have lunch here or your dinner. And the good thing is they provide dinner, lunch. I don't know breakfast. Do you?
We don't do breakfast yet, but we do breakfast on special occasions. Like today we did some breakfast.
Okay. Oh, nice, guys! Look at this. Very yummy, very tasty. The way how it looks like. Oh, this is breakfast.
Yeah, we did some corporate breakfast, special breakfast,
guys,
for special occasions.
Okay, nice. Okay, guys, so this marks to the end of this video. Hope you have enjoyed. Please let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this amazing young man who is transforming the people of many lives of the people in Zimbabwe through his business of restaurant, Yeah, it was a pleasure meeting you, Mr. Zaza. I love you.
Love you, my sister.
My brother.
I like the energy.
Yes. Thank you so much. A lot of people say so.
A lot of energy.
Yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate it.